MEATER is a small, wireless, Bluetooth meat thermometer. It connects to a free companion app and allows you to monitor your cooking, check temperature, and optimize your grilling or oven roasting. Setting the device up is pretty easy. First, you'll need to pair it to your smartphone or your device, and you need to make sure it's charged. Turn it on, and do that by pulling it from the wooden box or case. You'll then instruct the app to search for your MEATER probe, and once it shows up in your app, tap to select it, then hit Next. That's it. You can change the default temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit if you like, and then you'll tap Finish to complete the setup. The app will take you to a main screen that displays current temperature and cooking information about the probe. The nice wooden box that MEATER comes in doubles as a charging station. With just one AAA battery, you should get about 100 charges, each lasting 48 hours. I'm still working my way to 100 to prove it. The back of the case is magnetic, which lets you stick it to the fridge for easy and convenient storage. Just by removing the MEATER thermometer from its storage case turns it on, so all you'll need to do from that point is push it into your meat. There's a very small, narrow groove near the top of the thermometer, and you need to make sure that is all the way inside the meat, or MEATER says you risk damaging the thermometer. The MEATER app is really easy to use. You just touch the button in the app that allows you to select your meat, the type of cut you're cooking, and the level of doneness you want. It'll also give you at-a-glance information like the target temperature, current internal temperature, and the oven or grill's ambient temperature. You can also use MEATER just to take a temperature reading if you want. You don't have to keep it in for the duration of the entire cooking process. Just by sticking the thermometer into your cooked meat, you should be able to get a temperature reading right on the app in just a few seconds. MEATER is supposed to send you notifications when your cooking is done. The company's website and the app says you can opt for different audible and visual notifications when your food is ready, and says you can vibrate, sound an alarm, or even send a notification to your friend to make sure your food is taken. I really like that the MEATER is simple to use, the app is easy to figure out, and I enjoy being able to dial up the precise cooking information for any number of different meats just by pressing buttons in the app. Of course, you can also fully customize your cook and dial in a precise temperature if you want. Still, my major complaint is that the audible alerts weren't working for me, so you're constantly at risk of overcooking your food unless you're monitoring both what's going on in the oven and your app, which is kind of like cooking in real life where you have to keep an eye on your food anyhow. It's hard to know if this is a problem with the MEATER app or my Apple iPhone. I did double check all the settings on my phone, and in theory everything should have worked out perfectly for audible alerts. Nonetheless, I couldn't get any. MEATER can be used in your oven or on a barbecue or a grill, so you do have a lot of versatility when it comes to how you